There's growing interest around the country over the last 5 years to remove the emissions out of waste collection, and that's exhaust emissions but also noise emissions. We're trialling hydrogen fuel cell collection vehicles to meet the demands of zero emission waste collection.
Given you've got councils, municipalities that operate these, they're looking for zero emission for the country.
We've displayed the vehicle in the eastern suburbs of Melbourne initially, and then in Adelaide in South Australia, with really good response to it.
Australia really is the proving ground. Let's make it work here. Get confidence up here when it comes to either battery electric or hydrogen fuel cell. Seeing these trucks going around the city like we are here today in Byron Bay, the public's seeing that it's zero emission and it's a lot quieter, rather than just seeing a picture of a truck on a brochure and saying, look, this is what we can offer, but actually seeing it in real life. It makes a difference. Currently, the range for something like this is between 150 and 200 kilometres, which suits a back-to-base business, going out, doing their work, coming back. But anyone wanting to do longer distance, that's a little bit different with no infrastructure in place for refueling and or hydrogen production too.
So just get the trucks out there and see what the operating parameters are, what the true costs of running the vehicles, what the impacts are, so that when the infrastructure is available, we're in the best position to utilise it. We can understand exactly how to put a project together that can be successful.